Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I just did a little trade breakdown, various trade opportunity that I got today. Um, and my trading style is via ICT method. So I learned through ICT trading in terms of session high, session low, day high, day low, fair value gap, premium discount, inverse fair value gap, new day gap opening, um, and a lot more, but I'll just go into a few. So as you can see, I already start mark up my chart already. So we would start from here. Well, I'm gonna start from Tuesday. Asian session high. As you can see, this is Tuesday Asian session high. This is the highest it have been during Asian session. Asian session started from 7 and finish at 9. So as you can see, this is Asian session. And as you can see, the opportunity does represent itself for me based on what I would be looking for, which would be like this fair value gap here for the Asian session. Um, what would actually deem a worthy trade for me is seeing a break, a displacement would be from here, a displacement like here, a candle with a sharp drop below a structure low, which would be here, this low right here, and then a return could be more like a 50%, 60%, but in best case scenario, you want to see the market not reach just the even midpoint of this level, because this would be considered a fair value gap. So when you see a market struggling to actually go back up to the middle point of this fair value gap, which would be the constant encouragement area, that would warrant a good trade. Even if it comes up here, this will be fine same way, because what you're aiming for is this low. As soon as you get this low, you're out. But as you can see, the market also comes to the new week open gap, but we'll go into details on another video about those. So um, fast forward now to Wednesday morning session, London session. As you can see, it started off at midnight. That midnight is really the true day, really for the market. So as you can see now, this was Asian session Tuesday. I cleared during London, and as you see, once it's been cleared, you realize the market start going lower, um, breaking, lows going down, breaking, and then the market actually came back into this fair value gap. But if you realize it comes to the middle part of the fair value gap or constant encouragement, also realizing that all the candles close below it, which show a very strong momentum to go lower. Even you could even use an entry here. You could even wait for this structure to break here and actually enter here on this imbalance where these two candles are not meet. The close and the opening are not meeting. So you could actually enter here or you could enter on this fair value gap. This would be an excellent entry. And as you can see, the market actually come back up, which a little bit of a drawdown, but it stays within the below the new day opening gap for it for today. So and as you can see as well, you got another entry here where the market break below the structure, created an imbalance, and then another entry here which the market actually came all the way down, cleared this low, which would be the low. This would be this low right here. It cleared this low right here. Then market was actually consolidating here. From as soon as it's low clear, would actually be out of the market. Right, now we're gonna enter to London's New York session, and as you can see during New York session, we're gonna start from 7 o'clock. We're gonna pay a mind over here. So we're gonna start from 7 o'clock. As you can see, the market opens. As you see at 7 o'clock, can you see what the market does? Went up, then it actually start to fall, creating, you know, relative equal lows right here and here, relative equal lows. It went up, down, and it went back up, didn't break this high. Then it actually fallen up by 8 o'clock. It actually clears the 7 o'clock high right here. After it cleared the high, if you realize what happened, the markets went into the new week open gap, break above the upper portion, but didn't break above the complete gap. Then the market start to break down. In cases, I would really take a trade like this. I'd wait for more confirmation. For me, I want to see a break of structure. Like I'd have to wait for something like this here being broken, bam, and then I come back into a fair value gap or order block. And as you can see, the market break here. This would be more of a this would be a very tedious trade for me. But nonetheless, the market actually break and clear this 7 o'clock low right here, and also this low as well. It should be a relative equal low. As you can see further down into the 9:30 session, as you can see, hold on. Further down, oh yes, much better. Sorry about that. This is much better. As you can see further down into the 9:30 session, the market actually came up, clear buy side here, clear this buy side. Um, then what it did, it start breaking, going down, 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 down. Then it come back again. This would not be a trade ideal entry any at all. Then it actually market comes back up again, touch the gap, touch midway of the gap, close in the upper portion of the gap. Uh, Sorry, went below the gap and then came back up, clear the come back to the 9:30 opening as well. Break below this structure right here. Came back in here. There's a little push up into this fair value, which is a very good this is an excellent trade to take right here. Because the market show signs of weakness of going up. Break below, come all the way down, all the way down, 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 down. And also if you can see, sorry about that, the market clear this low right here. Bam. This would be Tuesday low. Sorry, not Tuesday low. This would be like lunchtime Tuesday low, yeah. And this is Tuesday low. Market came back and cleared that low as well, as you can see. And if you can take a further look, if you realize when the market went up here, most of the gaps were below. If you can see, it's just one, two, three gaps when you have one, two, three, four, five gaps, six. So, um, so I took this entry. Let me show you the entry that I took. Sorry, don't have that as yet. Um, I took this entry with the expectation of it clearing this low, which it did, and this low, which it did, and eventually cleared this low, which I expected as well. As you can see, this is 20,360. Let's see now, 20,000. Here it cleared 300 and is it 30 or 60? Yeah, which it did. It cleared here around after 10. So just to show you the type of entry that I'll normally take. Um, Thanks for watching.